Hello everyone, welcome to Unknown Facts. So students, in this video we will going to solve training of trainers week assignment third. The assignment question is ready now, so let's solve the questions. There are in total 10 questions, so let's solve from one. Question number 1 is what refers to the characteristics of the learning environment in training design. It is training method, or it is training design, or it is training site, or it is training evaluation. So for this, the most appropriate answer would be training site. Okay. So for question number A1, option C will be the answer. Question number 2 is which learner characteristic refer to people's belief that they can successfully learn the training program content. Is it motivation or self efficacy, learning style, perceived utility? So it is self efficacy. Okay, that is option B. So for question number 2, option B will be the answer. Question number 3 is according to adult learning principles, adults are motivated by which type of factors? So the adults are motivated by intrinsic factors, extrinsic factors, both intrinsic and extrinsic, neither intrinsic or not extrinsic. So the correct answer will be option B, option C, both intrinsic and extrinsic factors. Okay. Question number 4 is what instructional strategy involves repeated practice even after a learner has mastered the performance? Is it behavioral modeling, overlearning, massed practice, or error based examples? So the appropriate answer will be overlearning. Okay, that is option number B. Question number 5 is which theory of training transfer occurs when the training session content is identical to the job task? Stimulus generalization approach, identical elements theory, cognitive theory of transfer, or social learning theory. Okay, so for this, the answer will be identical elements theory. Okay, that is option number B. All answers are I am providing is from the content provided by IIT. Okay, so you can cross match it. Question number 6 is which approach to training transfer emphasizes far transfer? Option A is cognitive theory of transfer, option B is identical elements theory, option C is stimulus generalization approach, and option D is social learning theory. So for question number C, the answer will be stimulus generalization approach. That is option C. Okay. So for question number 6, option C will be the answer. Question number 7 is what is the first factor in the model of the transfer process? Training characteristics, work environment, training design, or learning retention? Okay, so for question number 7, the answer will be option A, that is training characteristics. So learners, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe it for getting upcoming week answers, and please share it with needy ones. So question number 8 is which instructional strategy involves sharing what can go wrong when training is not used properly? Okay, so the options are overlearning, error-based examples, and behavioral modeling, and the last option is immediate confirmation. Okay, so the answer will be option B, error-based examples. Two questions were left, so let's solve it fast. Question number 9 is which learner characteristic is defined as a person's desire to learn training content, ability to learn, self-efficacy, motivation, or perceived utility? Which one will be the answer? So the most appropriate answer for this question will be motivation. Okay, according to the lecture material. Last question is which principle of adult learning suggests that adults need to know why they are learning something? Four options are available: self-directed learning, need for relevance, problem-solving approach, and a need to know. Okay, so for question number 10, the answer will be need to know. Okay, all questions were solved. So let's submit it. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.